If you live in Washington and want to get a medical cannabis card, here's how the process works. The first step is meeting with a licensed healthcare provider who's allowed to authorize medical cannabis. This can be a doctor, a naturopath, a physician assistant, an osteopathic doctor, or a nurse practitioner. During your appointment, they'll review your health condition and decide if you qualify. If you do, they'll give you an official authorization form. Once you have the authorization, the next step is visiting a medically endorsed cannabis store. Not every store is endorsed, so call ahead and schedule an appointment with a certified medical cannabis consultant. Bring your authorization form and a government-issued ID with you. The consultant will register you in the state's database and issue your medical cannabis recognition card. By law, the card costs at least $1, but stores may charge a little more for processing. With your card, you'll be able to buy medical cannabis products without paying state sales or excise tax. The card also gives you access to products and quantities set aside specifically for patients. Your authorization and card will eventually expire, so you'll need to renew both by repeating the same steps, starting with another appointment with your healthcare provider.